Kombucha is a fermented beverage that is now on store shelves everywhere thanks to its probiotic health benefits and tasty tart flavor. Grapes provide an additional healthy boost to this refreshing kombucha. First, we make our tea. Heat the mashed California grapes with the fresh green grape juice, water, green tea leaves, and honey until just simmering. Strain this mixture and allow to cool to 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, place into a sterile glass container and add the SCOBY. Cover with a cheesecloth. Allow the kombucha to sit at room temperature for 2 weeks until the SCOBY has grown and the kombucha has developed a nice sour taste. Carefully decant the liquid off the SCOBY and refrigerate. Enjoy the kombucha for up to 1 month and remember to keep the SCOBY for future batches of grape kombucha. For a fun cocktail, mix this grape kombucha with vodka or gin. Enjoy! Find this recipe and more on ciaprochef.com/grapes.